Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at yan. What is your November 2023's reading? What are the happenings? Let's see. So yan mga babes, so just take how this resonates, and of course, timeless ito at wala tayong gender here. So let's go ahead and let's check out. Okay. Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me what this Virgo needs to know for November 2023, please? What this Virgo needs to know. To the new subscribers, by the way, my name is Yan. Thank you so much. Sana mag-stay kayo here with us. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much no para sa inyong super warm love and support you're giving me. Thank you for your comments. Yeah, sobrang na-appreciate ko yan mga babes. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's check your messages for November 2023. We've got right here for you, Virgo, projected. So there is something here with the future days, weeks, months. It looks like this November, pwedeng ikaw ay pinagpaplanuhan mo na to at may travel ka na pupuntahan. Vacation right here, malayo. And it looks like this is some kind of a travel through, what's this? Via land, yan, no? But doesn't have to be na via land lang, no? But if this is you na meron ka ditong travel this November, it looks like, yan. So, meron dito tayo nakikita na matutuloy itong travel na ito, no? And for others of you, maaring hindi mo to nakikita na paparating, so maaring ikaw ay magkaroon ng unexpected na pag-travel or biyahe rito. So, yun nakikita ko, no? Or magpaplano ka, no? Na magbiyahe rito, no? Maaaring yung iba magpaplano or may planong gagawin, no? Like, literally, random lang, no? Pwedeng biglaan yun, mapag-uusapan, no? So, maaaring yung biyahe is something to do with for the next months or for the next few weeks, yan, no? So, let's see, ika-clarify pa naman natin yan. Pero mukhang, yung pupuntahan mo is mag-i-enjoy ka dun. Yung nakukuha ko rito. Like, this is you chilling, vibing, yan. No? So, mamaya ka-clarify natin. And also, you've got right here this wish. Yeah. So, mukhang meron ditong wish na paparating sa'yo at mukhang, alam mo yon no? Maaring meron ditong Buddhist, but doesn't have to be. But, whatever it is, it looks like you've manifested this. Bata ka pa lang para sa iba sa inyo. Gusto mo na tong wish na to, no? Matagal mo na tong pinagpipray. Doesn't have to be na bata ka pa lang or what sa iba, no? Pero mukhang matagal mo na tong pinagdadasal and it looks like it's coming. Wow, it's at the center of your reading. So let's see, kakarapin natin ano ba yung wish na yan. Although this is general reading, just take how this resonates because iba-iba kayo ng wini-wish pero if it really comes from the bottom of your heart, yun yung nakukuha ko rito mabibigyan ng katuparan. At mukhang ito ay, okay, super near na sa inyo. Like, literally near future, like in days, makukuha niyo na to. Yung iba baka nakuha niya na in weeks right here, in just few months. Okay, so yun nakuha natin for you guys. And also we have here the TikTok. So yeah, maybe you love sunset right here. Yeah, and whatever the case may be, I'm getting this kind of time already past here. Let's see at the bottom of the deck added information about this TikTok. So mukhang umandar na rito, no, lumipas na rito yung panahon, no. Maaring nasaktan kayo rito ng taong pinagkatiwalaan ninyo. Might be standing out na potential, no, is yung inyong past lover dito na in-involve kayo sa isang third party situation. Virgo, na alam ko naman, no, Virgo, no, na kayo, no, sa lahat ng mga zodiac sign, no, ang meron ditong pabalik-balik na ex. So whatever the case may be, looks like someone here could have involved you into a third-party situation. You've healed from that. That's what I'm sensing. Lumubog na yung araw for that person here. Yeah. But you know what? I do not get that this is your energy. Let's see what's next. We have here the legal. So, it looks like, yung iba sa inyo, kung married kayo with this person, looks like may annulment dito, may divorce. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. So, mukhang nilaban dito, no, yung parang karapatan. ng isa, ng legal. So, whatever the case may be, para yun sa iba. But you know what? I'm getting this kind of energy, no, na itong tao na to ay makakaramdam ng hiya. Hindi dahil may court cases dito, kasi pwedeng wala namang court cases para sa iba. Pero makakaramdam siya rito ng parang mahihiya siya. So, alamin natin kung ano yun, bakit siya mahihiya dito. I do not think that this is you, but this is the energy of someone here connecting to you, Virgo. Let's start clarify. Ano ba itong travel na ito? No? Pero nakikita kita dyan na masaya na magta-travel rito. Yan, tira natin, no? Alam mo, kung trabaho man yan, ibig sabihin na i-enjoy mo yung trabaho mo. Kasi nakakuha ko ng happy vibe dyan. Why projected is here for Virgo? Yeah, looks like it is a dream vacation, a dream trip right here, or whatever it is na nakikita ko rito, na happenings yan, like bonding times, bonding moments, pwedeng may drinking, no? Hindi naman to the point na walwalan, or talagang lasingan dito, no? Pero it looks like maaring baka may i-celebrate kayo at maaring may connection ito or connected ito dito sa wish na yan. Pero tingnan natin, no? Okay. Basta nakikita kitang happy sa trip na yan. Yan. Kung ano man yan. Taray! So we have here the King of Wands energy, and there's this Nine of Swords followed by the Ace of Wands. Oh! So for others of you, this could be someone here inviting you. It's like a date. Yan, no? Whether this person is boyfriend or girlfriend mo na, para sa iba, doesn't have to be. Kung boyfriend or girlfriend mo na to, baka surprise vacation ito, or baka napag-usapan nyo na to, tapos ngayon kayo aalis ngayong November. So, kaya naman pala, someone so passionate, someone so passionately in love with you is yon, no? Makakasama mo pala dito sa travel na to. And there are lots of passion here. Yan, no? Medyo may konti lang tayo ritong pag-aalala, no? Kasi nakukuha ko rito na parang, alam mo yon, hindi naman sa overthinking ito or overanalyzing, na pag-aalala in a way na baka may makaligtaan kayo or what, no? So, whatever the case may be, yun lang naman. Wala naman ako ibang nakikita ritong worry, no? So, parang baka may makalimutan lang or what, no? Kasi, siguro ikaw yung klase ng tao rito na parang, ayaw mo yung ano, pag may nakalimutan, kunwari yung toothbrush, ayaw mo yung sasaglit pa sa convenience store para bumiling toothbrush. Ayaw mo nung gano'n. So, parang ikaw, mga babes, no? Lalo na kung unexpected to, kasi pwedeng surprise. Kasi nakukuha ko dito yung iba, so surprise kayo nito. Yung iba, hindi naman ibig sabihin na loved ones, na boyfriend nyo or girlfriend nyo to, or asawa nyo to, no? Sa iba, maaring ito yung mga friends mo. Like, literally, no, especially kung may sasakyan, yung isa sa kanila, it's a road trip. Okay? So, yung iba, dream travel nyo ito, kasama yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Basta yung mga closest to you. Sa iba, jowa nyo yan. Yung nakikita ko rito, no? Yung iba, medyo magpapanik, no? Kasi syempre, baka dala na ba nila yung tamang damit, ilang araw ba kayo doon, especially yung mga surprise, yung nakikita ko rito. Pero there's lots of enjoyment, there's lots of you being confident, no? Kaya nakikita ko rito, kung mga kaibigan mo yan, they are your true soul tribe. So, wow, enjoy enjoy mga mahal, no? Tsaka ingat-ingat, no? Sa mga biyahe-biyahe. Doesn't have to be na land trip lang yan. Pwede naman yan mga babes, no? Na via air. So, yan. Okay, let's see what's next. Yeah, definitely, they are your foundation. Sa iba, jowa nyo na yan. Baka yung iba, no, this person will take you out on a date. Yan, no. Maaring may surprise siya para sa iyo doon, no, sa isang lugar. And I think you're gonna love that. Yeah, wow! So, mas magbe-build pa ng strong foundation ito for you, Virgo. So happy. This is the energy here of you feeling fulfilled and contented. Sino-sino man yung makakasama mo. So, travel. So, yeah, feeling happy and parang yung pupuntahan mong lugar is super gusto mo yon. And these people knows that. Yan. So, alamin na natin yung wish mo, no? Let's see. Yung wish mo, maaaring may kinalaman to sa pera. Tagal mo na itong pinagdasal. Yung iba bagong trabaho ito with the full card energy. I'm seeing you taking a risk, taking a chance to this Virgo. Give this a chance. Yung iba, hindi naman ito new na work or career. Pwede namang new business ito. Pero pinagdasal mo. I'm getting money growing para sa'yo, Virgo. Let's go. Wish is being clarified here by the Seven of Coins energy. Tagal mo tong hinintay, mga babes. See, this is you, no? Yan, na nakita mo, hawak mo na yung basket mo. Ayan, no? At ready ka na, no, na hanguin or kunin, no? Pitasin yan, no? May hagdan na dito, no? Ready na pitasin, mga babes, no? Ang fruits of your labor, no? Itong wish na to, kumbaga parang ready ka na i-receive yan. So, yung iba, pwedeng matagal nyo na yung pinagdadasal, pinagpipray rito. So, finally, yeah, at last, no? Makakamtan, makukuha mo na yan. And it has something to do with money, actually. Finances, it is. Ano man yung pinaghirapan, pinagpaguran mo, no? Mukhang makukuha mo na ang bunga ng pinaghirapan mo rito, mga mahal, no? So, yeah, literal na talagang pag may tiyaga, may nilaga, hindi ka kumawala dyan sa prayers, dyan sa hopes mo, no? You keep your faith alive, and it's coming. So, yeah, together with the Seven of Pentacles energy is the Sun. See, happy, shalalala. This is the happiest, brightest, okay, energies in the tarot. So, ibig sabihin kung ano yung wish mo na yan, super magiging happy ka dyan to the point na maaring tumalon ka, no? Because makakaramdam ka ng overjoy right here. So, what I'm getting from you guys, this is you. You will experience this kind of genuine happiness to the point na mapapatalon ka sa tuwa. So, maaring yan ay matanggap mo ngayong buwan ng Nobyembre. So, finally, your wish is coming true. Your long time wish, ano man yan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no? Pero may kinalaman talaga yun sa pera strongly. So, whatever the case may be, I'm getting you experiencing this new level, okay, of opportunity when it comes to your finances right here. Whether that's career, whether that's business right here. Okay, it could be anything. Yeah, and at the bottom of the deck, you do have here the King of Swords. And you will be thinking kung paano mo pa yan ma-expand, palalaguin, palalawakin right here. I'm seeing you planning. I'm seeing you right here thinking, strategizing kung paano mo pa yan mas mapapalago. And yeah, we have here the Three of Swords energy and there's this Ace of Swords. Yeah, kasi you know the truth. Na pag hindi mo inalagaan ito, maaring ito ay mawala sa iyo at maaring ito ay dumaan lamang no kung hindi mo ito iingatan. But you are the type of energy right here. Yeah, for a while, nalaglag yung bag ko, mga babes. Okay, I'm sorry for that commercial, mga mahal. No? So yun nga, no, going back right here. So because this is you, alam mo sa isipan mo na pag hindi mo inalagaan yan, yeah, because this is the truth that you know, okay? This is something here na ang tagal ko itong hinintay, so hindi ko to hahayaang mawala sa mga palad ko or sa mga kamay ko. So this is you strategizing with the King of Swords. How can you protect, okay, this wish right here para mapanatili yan sa'yo? And I think it has something to do with your finances, money, and coins. So yeah, now let's clarify right here. Okay, who is this person? This person could be someone who had involved you into a third party at bakit siya nahihiya dyan? Yung iba, kung nag-file kayo sa kanya rito ng something na may kinalaman, no? Ano man yan, okay? Divorce, um, annulment, or even kaso talaga. Yan, alamin natin. Sa iba, doesn't have to be na may kaso, no? Pero malinaw na may nangaliwa dito sa inyo. At mukhang makakaramdam siya ngayon ng hiya sa buwan ng Nobyembre. Bakit kaya? Can you please show me? Ngayon pa siya nahiya. Parang kami sinasabi mo, ngayon pa siya nahiya, mismo. Ito na nga alamin na nga natin. Ayan, okay. At saka parang feeling niya rito, nauubos yung oras niya, no? Feeling niya nauubos yung oras niya rito. Nape-pressure siya yun na nakukuha ko dito, no? And this is being clarified right here with the Seven of Cups energy, Four of Swords, and there you go. You've got here the Magician, and there's this Five of Wands energy. Yeah, this person is coming towards you. Yun na nakikita ko rito. Makikipag-ayos dito, no? Pero imbes na makipag-ayos, gulo lang ang dadalhin ang mangyayari rito. Okay. Kasi hindi ko alam kung siya ba ay klase ng tao na maikli yung pasensya niya or mabilis siyang magalit, ganun, no? So, siya tong lalapit sa inyo. Kung may case man dito, this person will come to you, like, in person. It's face to face, no? So, nakikita ko dito that this person will visit you, okay? Kung may kaso man dito, mas lalo makikita mo siya in person. Sa iba, kung wala namang kaso rito, pwedeng in person mo siya makita, pero pwede rin naman na mag-reach out siya sa'yo. Definitely mag-reach out siya. Okay, through online, through web right here, through internet. Social media applications, Messenger, marami naman tayo niyan ngayon. Instagram, direct message, okay. Viber, email, yan. Might be phone call or text message, no. Sa una, mahinahon lang, pero nakikita ko makikipag-away siya. Kasi una, gusto niya na parang, maglagay-lagay dito ng tricks, no. Parang tricky words rito para pumayag ka, tanggapin mo yung inaalok niya rito na offer na pakikipag-ayos, no? Pero yung totoo, gusto niya lang i-save yung sarili niya rito. So, ito, mauuwi lang to sa away, no, to the point na parang siya yung mahihiya kasi maaring, kung ito man ay personal, no, maaring may makakita sa kanya rito, mga chismosang kapitbahay, or mga Lorna at Marites everywhere, no? So, pero nakukuha ko rito, um, mas mahihiya siya, sa pamilya mo, kung siya man ay lalapit sa'yo dito personally. Sa pamilya mo or sa friends mo, kung sino man yung kasama mo kapag ka nakita mo 'to, kapag nag-pop out siya dito from somewhere or out of the blue. Yan, this person will try to trick you with the magician right here, yung mga words na gagamitin niya rito. Pero yung totoo, mga babes, no, conflict lang ang dala nitong tao na 'to. Hindi tunay na pakikipag-ayos yun, no, kundi para lang talaga kumalma, no, yung sitwasyon para sa kanya and not for you. Kasi kung may kaso man dito, this will bring him or her kahihiyan. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, gusto niya makipag-ayos para hindi na matuloy yung kaso or mapag-usapan na lamang kung ano yung dapat nang gawin. Especially kung may involved dito na kulong or what. I don't know, I'm getting that, no? Mini-mention ko kasi yung nakukuha natin dito. Pero for those of you na wala namang kaso rito, Virgo, no? Nakikita ko dito that this person feels like na nape-pressure siya rito. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, parang ganito ha. Kasi tricky siya eh. This person, kung may third party man dito, hindi ko nakikita ang iniiwanan niya yun. Kung lalapit mo siya at makikipag-ayos, no, kasi meron siya ritong gustong makuha or mahita mula sa'yo. So whatever the case may be, maaring itago niya at sabihin niya na kapag-hiwalay niya siya sa third party para lang manahimik ka or para lang i-accept mo or payagan mo siyang bumalik sa buhay mo. I'm giving all the possibilities because that's what I'm getting. And I'm giving all the possibilities because this is a general reading. So that is why. Just take how this resonates with you. But I don't trust this past person of yours. Especially kung ex nyo to, Virgo. Yung ex nyo kasi is always appearing, no? Nung nagsimula ako na mag-YouTube dito, no? Virgo, your ex is always makulit and they're out of place, most likely. So, hindi ko naman nilalahat na lahat ng ex ninyo, pero most of the times your ex right here appears here to be a somewhat back and forth. Okay? Balik lang sila pag trip nila. Pag may nakukuha sila from you guys. Okay? Tapos pag wala na, alis na naman sila. So, I don't like their energy. So, that's why I'm mentioning them to you. Because I don't like you na abusuhin nila kayo. Pero mukhang kilala mo na ito because you're saying no. You're saying no to this person. Because I think you've already seen this person's true colors. Yeah. Okay? Magician in there is not someone manifesting. Hindi mo siya minamanifest pabalik mo, no? Siya pwede minamanifest, excuse me, dumunok lang, ay dumighay lang. Siya puwedeng mina-manifest ka niya pabalik kasi mukhang meron ditong magandang nangyayari 'no, sa buhay mo. Pero 'di ba, kailangan pa bang may magandang mangyari sa buhay mo para lang bumalik siya sa'yo? So, ibig sabihin dahil maraming magagandang nangyayari sa buhay mo or may mga magagandang pagbabago sa buhay mo, yun yung dahilan at hindi yung pagmamahal, 'di ba? Tell me more for Virgo. November 2023, please. Tsaka hindi niyo ba alam na itong King of Wands together with this Ace of Wands right here, if you knew it or not, this is an added message. If you're single right now, you got someone's attention and laser focus on you. And this person cannot sleep at night. So, maaari itong mag-confess ng emotions and feelings or gumawa ng small gestures lang muna mga babes, no? So, yeah, meron kayong someone new right here. So, ba't pa kayo mag-aksaya? No, na makipag-deal dito sa ex ninyo, trahedya lang naman ang dinala niyan sa buhay niyo. 'Di ba? So, okay, added message for you, Virgo, is we have right here the kindred. Yeah, you're gonna meet right here, no? Your kindred soul. That's what I'm getting. You're familiar with each other. You feel like you've already known each other right here. Yeah, you're gonna meet right here. Alam mo yung feeling mo siya talaga yung the one for you. Yung mararamdaman mo na ito na talagang tao na 'to ang para sa'kin, 'yan. And this is you, na parang hindi mo ma-explain yung pakiramdam, pero siya talaga 'no, yung parang, bahagi na 'no, ng iyong past lives right here. So, maaaring meron na kayong encounterment, and this person could be, at a distance right here, or baka meron dito na parang distance pa or gap sa inyo, or maaaring 'yan 'no, may pag-travel rito kinakailangan upang kayo ay ma-meet. So, yeah, I'm picking up that this is you being reunited right here by your kindred soul. So yeah, and you've also got right here the serenity. Yeah, I'm seeing you that you want to have that peacefulness, calmness, serenity, no, ng kapaligiran right here. So bakit ka pa mag-give in sa drama, no, with this past person here na magde-drain lang naman ng energy? Now that you've finally seen this person's true colors, 'di ba? So dito mga babes, no, baka mahal mo talaga yung sunset. Dalawa yung nakuha natin yung sunset dito. Oh. So maybe this is you love taking selfies or photos of sunsets right here, or together with the sunset, just take how this resonates, or you love watching, yeah, no, yung sunset here. So yeah, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you here that you will be in a very peaceful, more peaceful situation on the month of November right here. Yeah, even though this person here will try to come back. I'm getting that smirk. So, baka mag-smirk lang kayo sa kanya, parang pangiwi ng ngiti na parang, alam ko naman talagang babalik eh. Yan. Pero, deadma is the word. Like, literally, hindi mo siya papansinin. And at the bottom of the deck, yeah, you literally have someone new coming in into your life, especially if you are single, and this is a very soul to soul, yan, with the soulfulness right here, and picking up that there is a strong soulmate connection, and you're gonna let this person in inside your world, inside your heart. Wow, let's get advice for you, Virgo. Advice for Virgo for November 2023. Virgo. Okay, let's go. So, Virgo advice for you guys is this affirmation for healing the heart. Yeah, you've got someone here na magiging friend mo hanggang sa maging lovers kayo. May mamumuod dito na feelings and emotions. Yeah. Alam mo yun, siya yung magpapawarm rito ng coldness mo, no, na pakiramdam, or pag may pinagdadaanan ka dito hindi maganda sa life mo, kaagapay mo siya. Iba sa inyo, baka nakilala nyo na ito, no? You feel like, no, na parang natagpuan mo rito yung soul mo. So, I'm also getting the vibe of you could be twin flame right here. So, wow. I'm seeing that. flame is being ignited here. That's what I'm getting. And at the bottom of the deck, added information. Yeah, cleansing body and spirit. Yeah, you're totally cleansing yourself from anything or from anyone in the past. So I'm seeing you right here wanting talaga, no, ng kapayapaan, serenity, no. This is you na gusto mo lang talaga rito ng mas tahimik na life, no. But this person, mag-reach out talaga to sa inyo. Mhm. Yung nahihiya siya, totoong nahihiya siya rito, pero I think mas nahihiya siya rito sa pamilya mo at sa mga friends mo. Okay, so yeah, Virgo, ito ang mga mensahe for you guys. Thank you so much. Sana ngayon love and life. Annyeong.